Since the last 2 days, it was drizzling a lot. Almost the whole day it drizzled. So, friends, what happened? The flowers and all they became so heavy with the water inside them that in the morning I thought that I should straighten them up, put some sticks there, some trellis sticks, and tie them nicely. And while I was doing that, I found that one of the chrysanthemum was having such heavenly fragrance, friends, I can't tell you. So I was just mesmerized by its smell, sweet fragrance. Unlike the other chrysanthemums, which I have earlier smelled. So this, the one which I just finished tying with the sticks and all, that is having heavenly smell. And the rest of these chrysanthemums, the big ones, the white one and the purple one, they are looking good, but they don't have such nice fragrance. Anyways, while doing the work, we come to know about the plant so much, friends. I'm realizing that I should take out my mali from the work and start doing everything myself. I didn't know that chrysanthemums have two kinds of smells, two kinds of fragrance, you see. One fragrance is just like, that pest and pest controlling thing, what do you call it? Anti-pest or pesticide kind of a smell. So I was aware of that only. But the one I tried the first in this video, it was having a sweet fragrance, heavenly fragrance. So I finished the tying, friends, and now I'll show you the close-ups of these flowers. I have got about 3-4 kinds of chrysanthemums, friends. This is the one I was talking about. This is, in size, it is small, but it has such heavenly fragrance. Beautiful. Even while, standing closer to it and moving the flowers little bit, one can feel the fragrance, smell the fragrance. These ones are looking good. They have absorbed the maximum water, and I have to work the most with these plants, but they don't have such sweet smell, sweet fragrance. They have that, pesticide kind of a smell. So it is good to keep in the gardens because if they can shoo away the pests, it's good. One more of that heavenly fragrance flower is here. They are just awesome. This is my new discovery. I'm so excited about it, friends, that I wanted to share it immediately with you people. Most of you must be knowing about this, but for me it is my first experience. These white ones, they also have that pesticide kind of fragrance, but this one, this has become my favorite now. There must be so many. I think in my next tour to the nursery, I'm going to smell all the flowers, chrysanthemum ones, and find out which one smells so sweet and heavenly. So friends, this was, I was so excited about this plant that I brought it inside my living room. I said, why waste the fragrance? When we bring the fragrant flowers in the room, and in winters we keep the doors and windows closed only, the room becomes full of fragrance. So I have brought it inside, friends, and outside you can see through the window my succulents are lying there, which I have repotted just a few days back, and I have put all my succulents there. But today's limelight is on this flower. So friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also if you like the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.